Hello teacher, how are you? My name is Vanessa and today I'm gonna present the answers to the following questions according to the video that I can listen. So the first questions is how can you make the first approach to mathematics learning? So the teacher need to give the tools to students for develop all the activities or all the topics that they need to introduce in the class. As a teacher and as an adult, it's very important to clarify all the process that a mathematical learning process need. Also, in this approach is very fundamental that the teachers know perfectly your students, identify what is the methods that correspond to learn whatever topic that in this moment is necessary to develop. Well, the second question is what do you must know about math before you do a class? Okay, it's very important that as a teacher, know our students, know the grade. Second, know if the student have any previous knowledge about the topic that you are going to develop with theirs. So in this way, it's very necessary because do you know if the students are prepared to develop this topic? And the third is very important to make an activities, develop some strategies, try to the students when they make activities and maybe quizzes, the results are good. Because in this way, do you know if the topic that you developed, you did in the correct form. So that's my opinion. Okay, the following question. What are some ways to learn mathematics as a teacher? Through the didactic method, through our own students, because as soon as you take the result of your students to the different topic or method, you can see what is the correct forms to develop some topic. Another is through, of course, the books, the guides that give us all the information that we need to learn some topics in this moment. The question number 4 is give other examples about teachers' mistakes when students are wrong. Okay, some teachers just focus in the mistake, in the bad grade, and not in the process that the students did when they make some activity. And I think that this is an wrong mistakes that as a teacher we did. So another is just like the students making exams and making activity, but before the teachers don't make like an review or a feedback about the topic. If in this case some students don't understand exactly all the good forms the topic. Okay, the next question is according to your point of view, what do you consider is essential in the mathematical learning process? Okay, it's very essential, fundamental that as a teacher we have a process, that we have a specific method or not a specific method, but we can include different didactics methods in which you can involve your students. As teachers, we need to try to develop different skills, and not just writing skills, and not just like the same process like activity and quizzes. And no, it's necessary that the students see the mathematics and as a real life, that they can use mathematics all times and see in a different way. So as a teacher, it's necessary to make a good process with all your students, taking account all your tools that you have in this moment. Okay, so that was all this activity. I hope that my questions and my activity was good for you teachers. So bye bye. Thank you for all.